All right, hey, what's up everybody? Landan with LMR.com. In this video, we're gonna be talking about T-top and convertible run channel weather strip and the year range that these will cover to be all 1981 to 1988 T-top cars and then 1983 to 1988 convertibles built before October of 1987. And the way you can typically tell if your car was built before October of 1987, just look at your door tag. If you can't reference that, you could possibly look at your mirror. If the mirror is mounted in the upper position, the car was built before October of 1987. If it's mounted in the lower position to the outer skin of the door itself, that was built after October of 1987. So these run channels will not work for you. They are broken up into different model years. You'll have 81 to 86 T-top, 87 to 88 T-top, and you'll have 83, 86 convertible, and then 87 to 88 convertible. So the 81 to 86 run channel weather strips, it attaches with 2 small push pins, and then the 87 to 88 run channel weather strips will attach to the door with 3 small rivets. Speaking of that hardware, it is not included with the run channel, so you'll need to make sure you pick up some hardware the same time as you purchase your run channel weather strips. We already had the door panel off of this car. You'll need to do the same. We'll have links in the description on how to remove both the early and the later model year door panels from the car. And then this one here, the 86 Capri, being that it's a work in progress, the inside mirror hole cover is missing from this car. You'll need to get that out of your way. Being that this is 86, it had a manual mirror. So there's a Phillips head screw that attaches the cover to the door, and then a set screw that secures the adjuster to the mirror hole cover. Forget the size of what it is. It's small, so just get your hex keys out, see which one you need, back that out. Then you can remove your adjuster from the mirror hole cover and get that out of your way. But once you have kind of an open canvas here, you will need to make sure that your window operates. That way you can kind of lower it down, raise it back up accordingly to get your run channel in place. If your window is not operable, well, and it's in there, you may have to remove your guide rod. Just 2 7/16 nuts, kind of wedge something between the mirror and the guide rod and get it out of the way. That way you can situate your glass towards the rear of the door while you service your run channel weather strip. So for us, our window works, so you'll see me lower it and then bring it back up as I situate the run channel weather strip. If you're removing dry rotted, crusty old original weather strip or weather strip that was replaced many years ago and it's fallen victim to age, this stuff is gonna be very brittle. It's gonna crack all to pieces and it's gonna fall down into your door frame. So you'll need to make sure it's completely removed from the C-channel situated inside of the door here, and then vacuum all your crud up once you get it all out of the way. The best way to go about this, they are side specific, so just make note of which side you're working with. And then I usually start at the top section here and just basically get it down in there between the glass and the C-channel. And then if you can't get it between there because it's a little too tight, you can try lubricating it with a little bit of dish soap. The only thing you don't want to do is over lubricate it because it won't fully seat within that C-channel. But I like to start here, feed it all the way to the bottom, and then I will take a paint stick, similar to how you would do run channels on a hatchback or a coupe. And you just kind of work this all the way around the door frame. You're gonna do the same here. You're just gonna push that run channel weather strip down into that C-channel until you get it fully seated. Up here at the top, just make sure it aligns clean with this outer trim for the door frame. And being that this is aftermarket weather strip, you know, as close as tolerances can be in certain aspects, you know, there's always gonna be that little bit of compromise you have to make, okay? And speaking of that compromise, this outer section here, it's supposed to situate over this outer trim. So once you kind of get everything manipulated and situated, you'll need to use some 3M weather strip adhesive to get that held in place. As far as the retaining hardware goes, that's simple. Just align the holes in the weather strip with the holes in the body of the car and install your rivets or install your push pins. That's pretty simple. Once everything's situated, make sure that run channel weather strip is nicely in place. Move your window up and down and then make sure it glides nice and smooth in your new run channel weather strip. After that, service anything else you may need in this area. Get your door panel reinstalled, inside mirror hole cover reinstalled, and you're good to go. So that's pretty much a wrap on this one. A lot to show, but not a lot to show. I mean, in a nutshell, it's pretty easy how this works. I know that's subjective as heck, but you know, door panel comes off, run channel weather strip goes in, you put everything back together. If you have any questions, feel free to drop us a comment. Like chatting with you down there, love helping you out. And if y'all find value in what we do, please consider liking the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. And then until we see you in the next one, for all things Fox Body Mustang, keep it right here with the Real Enthusiasts LMR.